In recent years, there's been a growing interest in space tourism. Several companies are developing vehicles that will take tourists to space, including Virgin Galactic, Blue Origin, and SpaceX. And in July 2021, Virgin Galactic successfully launched its Spaceship Two vehicle to the edge of space, carrying a crew of two pilots and one passenger. And this was the first time a commercial space tourism company had successfully carried a passenger to space. And while space tourism is still in its early stages, it's expected to grow rapidly in the coming years, and some experts predict that there could be millions of space tourists by 2030. The first suborbital space tourism flights are expected to be relatively expensive, costing upwards of $250,000 per person. But of course, as technology develops, prices are expected to come down. Space tourism has the potential to have several implications for our world and for our society. It could help inspire people and promote STEM education and encourage young people to pursue careers in science and engineering. It could help raise awareness of the importance of space exploration. And let's be honest here, when the world finds a new industry to explore, money, time, and effort are constantly put to good use to make technology faster, smaller, and even more affordable. Experts are expecting space tourism to generate billions of dollars in revenue in the coming years, and the global space tourism market size was valued at $598 million in 2021. It's expected to expand to a compound annual growth rate, or CAGR, of 37.1% from 2022 to 2030. That's no small leap for mankind. The growth in space tourism market is being driven by a few factors: the increasing popularity of space tourism among high net worth individuals, the development of new and more affordable space tourism vehicles, and the growing interest in space exploration from the general public. And of course, the increasing investment in space tourism by private companies. Right now, there's still a few challenges that need to be addressed before we see mass adoption. First, being the high cost, right? Which is virtually out of the reach for any regular everyday person right now. And of course, there's still the risk that's associated with space travel. We've seen launches over the years as tests were being completed, scrapped launches, mechanical failures, and even full-on explosions. And finally, the last hindrance right now is the lack of regulations governing space tourism. This is the modern-day gold rush, with companies and countries looking to stake their claim. But despite these challenges, the space tourism market is expected to continue to grow in the coming years. As the technology develops and the cost of space travel comes down, space tourism will become far more accessible for the wider range of people and for our audience, which in turn will lead to increased demand for space tourism, which will in turn drive growth to the market. We still have a good ways to go before this becomes a normality, but how exciting in our lifetimes that we might have the opportunities to experience the vastness of space down to a little bit of the universe. We're finally getting our chance to get out there. That's going to do it for today in our episode about space tourism. If you liked this episode, leave us a comment or a like, subscribe, or share this episode with someone. And of course, I want to thank our sponsor, Kincannon XR. The future is XR, and if you're working in the XR world or looking to step into the future with XR, Kincannon XR is here to help bring your XR dreams into a reality. So regardless, if you're developing your own XR application, or if you're looking for a helping hand to take an idea to that next level, Kincannon is here to help. You can reach out to Kincannon XR by emailing them at inquiry@kincannonxr.com. And of course, you can also find our podcast on social media as well, at ETIB Podcast. And if you like this episode, subscribe, check out another one of these emerging technology business videos that's going to pop up on your screen here on YouTube. That's going to do it for today. I've been your host, Brock Riney, and we're going to talk some more emerging tech next time. Bye, everybody.